Hi, this is Anna with WTI. Since getting my braces, this Waterpik Aquarius water flosser has truly been such a great help for me. So it has 10 pressure settings, 7 water flossing tips, so everyone in the family can use. And it actually has the capacity to hold 22 ounces for a continual 90 seconds of use without refilling. It actually was recommended by my orthodontist when I got my braces on, and I totally see the benefit. It has multiple settings. The reservoir, believe it or not, is dishwasher safe, which I do every other day. Just put it through the dishwasher. The Waterpik Aquarius water flosser, it's been proven to remove 99.9% of plaque. That's actually 50% more effective than just using your traditional dental floss. So if you're looking for something to improve your oral hygiene in between dental visits, I would highly recommend this, and that's my point of view.